friends, welcome to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Changing things up a little bit this week. You're not going to have the normal overhead view, the fancy stuff that I've been doing the last few weeks because frankly, we're keeping it simple this week. We are making, I guess we can call it, shake and bake chicken sandwiches. Yeah, you heard it right. We are going to be using shake and bake, our chicken, and I'll tell you, I was supposed to make the last meal from HelloFresh, and frankly, I just ran out of energy. Honestly, I really did to make it. Callie and I went for a delicious prime rib dinner the other night, and it was fantastic, and I didn't have to cook it.
And I tried to get them to bake something Eastery.
Yes.
And
well, we were gonna do something Eastery, but I couldn't get any peeps. We were gonna do a recipe from Catherine's Plate.
Yeah.
But I couldn't get the peeps. So, anyways, can I continue this because I have something else I gotta do, and you're throwing me off, dear. Okay. So we're using the chicken from the HelloFresh meal that I was supposed to do. So we're going to do that with the shake and bake. We're going to have some fries from Costco. And we are trying this new Stubbs sticky sweet barbecue sauce. And I've already opened it and dipped my finger in it, and it is actually yummy.
Penguin and Chef said that they didn't care for it.
Well, it's got to be a tasty quality.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, so they probably don't like bold barbecue sauce.
I don't know.
We're also going to top it with bacon. So, and we are using, these are cheddar, tomato,
bacon, bagels.
Yeah. So that's what we are having on it. Keeping it simple. All right, I am going to start off. Now it's funny, I got one big piece of chicken and one little piece, but I want to pound the chicken down a little bit, just flatten it out. We do that because it just fits on the buns better.
How long are you going to make them wait before you talk about?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So a gift showed up. Well, it's not really a gift.
You paid for it yourself.
I paid for it myself, but my daughter
made it.
She made it for me. I paid for the apron and the shipping. She made my new apron because my other one, frankly, was wore out. Thanks, Ian. Thank you very much. It served its purpose.
Oh, it was well loved.
But I've had it for a year.
Yeah, maybe more. I don't know.
I can't remember.
It was well loved.
Yeah, well, you weren't here. It's more than a year because you weren't here when I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyways, thank you very much, Ian. I appreciate the use of it. My daughter made me a new one. I ordered the apron. Matter of fact, I've ordered 2 more aprons. They're being sent to her. I don't know if they're there yet. Sent to her house. She's going to put a couple more. She's going to try something else, I think, a different type of vinyl, but it worked out great. It's awesome. Won't take long for it to get dirty, I'll guarantee you that. However, this time, I'm going to learn. I'm going to wash it. I'm not putting it in the dryer. That's a mistake I did with the other one, and the label all lifted up. So thanks, Brittany. Thank you very much. And if anybody's interested in getting stuff done for my daughter, bam, it's vinyl. Check her out on Facebook. That's her Facebook
business page. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. That is kind of pounded out. Now we're going to pound this one out. As it splattered everywhere, but it's kind of nice. I've had this wax paper for, well, let's see, since you packed stuff up from your mom's.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, this I'm just going to cook up like that. Yeah. Yeah, it's stuff that came from your mom's house years ago. Yeah, we've always had it, so. Okay, well, I'm going to cook that like that. We'll split it up to go on the, onto things. I am using extra crispy. Actually, you know what?
So the other day on my loving leftovers,
There.
everybody was commenting about how Brody was looking like a kangaroo or tiger.
Oh, well, he's already been. So no sooner I get the chicken out of the microwave from defrosting it, he's over here jumping up. That's what he does. He loves this chicken. And we like giving him chicken. Chicken's a good thing to give. Chicken, eggs. Okay, his real treat that we give him are fries.
He gets a couple.
He gets, yeah. But that's it. We do not.
Well, he likes carrots and.
Well, yeah, vegetables and carrots, but we don't give him table scraps or anything like that. No. Alright, okay, that is put aside for Mr.
You
Review.
tell Daddy, say my doctor said I could have chicken and rice.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. It's the only thing with shake and bake, unfortunately, there's no skin on the chicken. It doesn't quite stick the same. That's all. And Mr.
I don't care. I don't need a lot of breading.
No.
If you had dipped it in a dressing or something prior.
Yeah, but I don't want.
Yeah, I don't need it.
I don't want the flavor of the dressing. I get it. Okay. This is going to go in the oven for about 25 minutes. In the oven, now do the timer. Okay, and at the same time, we gotta set the fries, because the fries take about 25 minutes in the air fryer. The reason why they take a little longer, because the air fryer only goes up to 400. However, about halfway through, I open up and I give them a shake. You don't have to do it all the time for everything, depending what we put in the air fryer. But with the fries, because they're so clumped together, you take them out halfway through, shake them around. That way they all get cooked. I'm not going to do the bacon quite yet. So basically, that is it. So what I'm going to do, when we're ready to put everything together, I'll bring you back. Okay, the bagels are almost done. Fries are almost done. So as soon as they're done, we're going to put everything together. There you go. There's the beep of the air fryer, and the bagels have popped. Yes, they are hot. Because bagels hold the heat. Alright,
That looks yum. You're not having it. No, you're not.
well, not that.
No, you're
Okay,
not.
we are going to put on this nice barbecue sauce.
I know it smells good, doesn't it? Does it? Yeah.
Mm. And I'm being nice. Give Kelly the bigger piece.
No, why would I care if I had the bigger piece?
Because she wears pants in the family? Oh. Okay. Yes, I spilled a little bit. Yeah. Top. Bacon. Yummy, yummy bacon.
no good road.
Okay. Now, oh. Sorry, I went to put that in the dishwasher.
What are you shaking about? You're so excited about supper, you're shaking?
Okay. That's okay. See, I made sure I saved him some.
Oh, Daddy did get
Because
you.
I think some would be upset if I didn't.
Oh, Daddy did get you chicken.
Of course I did.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Mommy can whine too, you know.
Yeah, she sure can. Okay.
Oh, yes. Just stop whining.
Okay. That is it. All put together, ready to eat. I'm going to bring you over to the table for the taste test. I got somebody here who's really anxious for his chicken. So we're going to give him his plate. Hey, take your time. Because that's all you get. Oh, he's actually chewing it. Okay. Let's taste this night. Nothing fancy. Could have had lettuce, tomato on it if you want, but...
Good.
Okay. It is. That is delicious.
Didn't you say you had another announcement or something?
No,
Oh.
I already did. The apron. I already did the announcement, the shout out of that.
Gotcha.
That is it, folks. Very simple, plain. I'll be honest, I just didn't have a lot of energy this week. Really haven't. You just have those weeks. I just wanted something, do something simple. Delicious.
This Sunday you're doing a turkey, or Saturday you're doing
This
a turkey.
Saturday, we're doing a turkey dinner for Easter. Of course, Len and Dorothy will be over. So, let people know, we will have a video on Saturday, but it won't be a mukbang.
Yeah.
We probably will go out. We will go out Saturday and do some stuff on Saturday, but no mukbang because we just don't have time to sit and eat like that. So.
I know what I was gonna say. Because Saturday nights are so busy trying to upload, that just YouTube's crazy. I think that we should guarantee it for Sunday morning.
Yeah. If I get the video done in time, getting it uploaded is not the issue. It's going through all the checks it has to go through. And between Saturday and Sunday night, I'm sure that's when people are doing all their week videos because, you know, people aren't at work and stuff. So I will guarantee it'll be out Sunday, Saturday, for the Saturday video. So if I can get it out Saturday night, I will. If not, it'll show up on Sunday morning.
All right.
Anyways, that's it for this week. I guess we call this the shake and bake
Barbecue
extra
chicken.
crispy barbecued
Chicken
bacon
burger.
chicken burger on a tomato bacon cheese bagel. There it goes. I'm not putting that whole title in the video. So, okay, folks. Once again, thanks again for joining. And like I always end my videos, I don't know what I'm making next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. See you next week.